population explosion. So what would you probably think, population explosion? What do you infer by that? Now, why do you think they've coined this term, population explosion? Let me tell you, my dear friends, population around the world population around 1960 was close to 3 billion. The West population was around 1 billion, and when I say West, it includes Sweden, the United States, and all those countries, European nation, and all the rest of the nations like the Middle East, Africa, and South Asia included a population of 2 billion. Now, suddenly, why has there been an explosion? That is because the population increases by 2 to 3% every year. So, any guesses how much might the total population right now be? Population, as per World Health Organization, the current world population is close to 8 billion. And this is 2012 census, and it might be way higher right now. What was the scenario of people? I mean, the West used to save to buy cars. That was the scenario. And in the rest of the nation, they all used to save to buy basic commodities like food and slippers, literally. The West saved to buy cars and the rest saved to buy food. According to the statistics, we know that the world population is increasing by 2 to 3% every year, and going according to that, every day there is a population of 47,343 people are being born every year, every day. 29 people are born in every minute, and any guesses on the number of seconds people born in seconds? Every person is born in 2 seconds. So, if I'm not wrong, ever since I've started my speech, close to 2 or 3 people might have been born. Why do you think is this? What do you think might be the reason for this kind of growth? Any answers? Any guesses? Necessary and do play a role in the increase in population, but a significant increase in the population reason was child mortality rate. Please, I mean, everybody I'm sure must have ancestors. Think how many number of forefathers or father you had. I mean, I'm sure you must have had more than 2 or 3 uncles and aunts. So going back to 1960s again, the number of kids people had were close to 5 to 6 around the globe, and the child mortality rate in the West was close to 100%. That is 90 to 100%, and in the rest of the nation it was 50 to 60%. And in that transition phase, my dear friends, we are currently there in between the developed and the underdeveloped nations. So child mortality rate basically is the main reason for population explosion, and many steps have been taken to control the child mortality rate. The Gates Foundation by Bill Gates and the UNESCO have been significantly working in this particular area, and significant improvements have also been made. Now the West has moved up and the rest is still there. There is an increment of 5 billion people currently in the world. Of the 5 billion, 3 billion have been in this category. Now, when I say 2 billion in between, those 2 billion include all the people in India, apart from the developing countries like India, France, Sweden, Germany. 2 billion people have been added additionally. So, having said this, I request the West to act as a foundation for all the remaining nations and the developing nations in helping us curb the population explosion by curbing the child mortality rate. Thank you.